I desire a small male. I want a little guy that I can rest my arm on when I'm hanging out, they'll rest it on his head. Ladies do not go around stating that. Most females don't truly have a brief person on the top of their list in terms of what they desire from a guy. At first, when a brief man starts talking to a female who doesn't generally date men who are shorter than her, she may be suspicious of him. She might not be sure whether he could actually safeguard her and make her feel safe. Yet, if he speaks to her and she can see that he is positive, emotionally masculine and he's not a wimpy man, then her instinctive need to feel safe is going to be set off. He can still make women, including quite lovely ladies, feel attracted to him and wish to be with him sexually and romantically. So, if you are among the men who has actually been going through like stating to yourself, I'm not successful with ladies due to the fact that I'm not 6 foot or taller, you need to begin paying attention to what you're seeing around you. 5% of the adult male population is not 6 foot or taller, however they are still able to draw in ladies, get laid, get a girlfriend, get married, and enjoy life with ladies. By the way, for many years, some people have actually asked me how high I am. Well, I'm 7 foot, so that's why I'm successful with females. In truth, I'm 175. 5 centimeters, which is essentially 59. Dan Bacon height 59, 175, 5 centimeters. So I'm not even a 510-inch, 511 sort of man. It would be good to be 6 foot, but the reality is that if I was 6 foot or taller like the man in the picture here, then I would not have gone along the path that I did, which led to me finding how to attract women as I speak with them. So, if I was a high guy like the male in the image here, you most likely would not be seeing this video. Success with females probably would have been handed to me on a silver plate as an outcome of being 6 foot or taller. Yet, personally speaking, over the years, I have actually fulfilled some tall men through my social circle who are not successful with women. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.